Hi everyone, welcome to the Language Training Center video classroom, and I'm Blajan. Today we will learn lesson 67, the weekend. Sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar. Hamda bugun 67-dars, the weekend. Hafta oxiri degan shu darsni o'rganmoqchi. Andaqda avval bugungi darsimizga shu yangi so'zlarni, new words o'rganib chiqaylik. Okay, birinchisi greengrocers. Greengrocers. Okay, hamma so'zni qarasak, green degan so'z yeshil degan gap. Grocers deganimiz nima aslida? Bu shu turli mallar dukkandagi mal dukkanning xo'jayini yoki shu mal sotuvchi demakchi shu dukkanda degan gap. Shunami? Hamda greengrocers bo'lish nima aslida? Shu sayko'xtat yoki mevchi sotuvchi. Hamda bu sayko'xtat mevchi sotuvchining dukkani bo'lishi greengrocers shop. Hamda to'liq shakli the greengrocer's shop. Va keyinda shop degan so'z bor. Ama sizga cho'q pechdan birdan qo'yib, s yozib, ning shunami greengrocer's shop. Demak hamda shu mevchi va sayko'xtat sotuvchining dukkani. Hamda buningga mushunda o'rinlarni bildirgan, masalan, ikki yoki oddiy ismlardan tuzilgan mushunda o'rinni bildirganda biz alaydan oldiga the deganni oldik. Shunga the greengrocers deganimiz ham nima shara? Shu sayko'xtat mevchi dukkani degan gap. Masalan, I must go to greengrocers to get some orange. Men shu mevchi sayko'xtat dukkaniga berib, qana azroq orange juice, oblison, sorry, oblison elishim kerak. I must degancha, mana qilishim kerak degan gapda. I'm at the greengrocers now. Men hozir sayko'xtat dukkanida. Okay? Sayko'xtat dukkanida. Demak, hamda in the greengrocers degan shu ichida, at the greengrocers shu dukkanlar degan gap. And there are lots of people in the greengrocers. And bu sayko'xtat dukkanida nurg'un odam bor ekan. Demak, greengrocers. Next one is absent. Okay? Absent. Not in the place, or at school, or work. And the mush absent deganimiz nima aslida? Yo'q kelmaslik degan gap. Yoki shuning qatnashmaslik. Masalan, maktabda, xizmatda va boshqa yerlarda degandek. Masalan, she has a bad cold. Okay, hamda u qanday bo'libdi? Ig'ir zukam bo'lib qolibdi. So, she doesn't go to school. Okay, hamda u maktabga bormadi. And she is absent from school. And the biyarik bizning neyimiz u maktabga bormadi. She is absent from school because she has a bad cold. Misharik absent deganimiz nima aslida? Shuni bormaslik. Okay, she was absent this morning. Okay, and u bugun atdigan qanaqamidi ekanmidi? Demak, hamda mana bugungisi o'tgan zaman, ama o'tgan zamanni birdan keyin nihoyatda tafsili sizlarga so'zlab beramiz. Misharik she was absent this morning. U bugun qanday desanglar, kelmadi. So who is absent today? And the bugun kim kelmadi? So who is absent? Bugun kim yo'q yoki kim kelmadi degan gap bo'ldi. Demak, hamda absent degan so'z birga shu maktabga yoki ishqa yoki ma'lum bir yig'inlarga kelmaganni nima deymiz? Absent. Buni be absent deymiz. Be absent. So, look. So how many days are there in a week? So how many days? 6 days or 7 days? How many days? Of course, there are 7 days, right? And the brepten necha kun bo'lsa oldingizlar? 7 kun shunami. So, and what days today? Okay, and the what days today? And the bugun qaysi kun? Bugun qaysi kun? Okay, bugun endi miyada payshanba, buni Thursday deymiz. Aniqda o'sha haftaning kunlarini bir-birlab o'rganib chiqaylik. Biz dushanba deganni nima deymiz? Monday. Okay, o'sha nima deymiz? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday, Saturday. Okay, Saturday. Demak, hamda o'sha birinchisidan boshlab desak, Monday, dushanba, Tuesday degan seshanba, Wednesday. Bularni ma'no o'qiganda Wednesday deb olgan jaqmonlar. Endi men yerga D qana qilmaydi bolalar, talaffuz qilinmaydi. Shuni bilan bo'lma Wednesday degan qaylanda Wednesday. Ondan ikinci Friday, okay, Thursday, and the Perşembe again Thursday. Bulanma minaj köpün sağdası Seyşembe ile Perşembe arlaştırıyorlar. Mesela Monday again Düşenbe için ama ondan again Tuesday, Thursday. Bu ikisiga alayda qatsak bo'ldi. Birisini mersanlar Tuesday, yani birisi şu Thursday. Cumani Friday, and the shanba günde jursanlar Saturday. Okay, Saturday, and the yakshanba jursanlar Sunday. Sunday. Demek hamda müşareke Saturday and Sunday. Nim bo'ldi desanlar weekend. Weekend. Bunun nemi sanlar week hafta end. End degan oxiri. Weekend degan nima hafta oxiri. Jomo deymiz. Nima? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Demek bu yerki Saturday and Sunday weekends. From Monday to Friday, week. Okay, week deganimiz hafta. Okay, next one is keep. All right, keep. Okay, ma so'zlaydigan tavishgina keep the room tidy deb atam yozib qo'yibdi nima uyni pokiz retlik tuting tidy endi biz untidy qalaymiqan rassiz deb o'rgangan shunami endi tidy deganimiz nima desang retlik endi mishari tutmoq saqlamoq degan gap. Okay, so why do you keep silent? Okay, and the silent degan jimjit tinish degan gap. So why do you keep silent? Nima shunda tinish tursiz, nima shunda tinishlikni saqlaysiz. Why do you keep silent? Why do you keep silent? Okay, so where do you keep your money? Okay, ma keep money bo'lsa pulni saqlamoq. Nima where do you keep money? And pulni nima saqlaysiz? Where do you keep money? Okay, so can you keep this book for me? Okay, endi bu kitobni menga saqlab bera olamsizmi? Can you keep this book for me? And please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Demekçi jimjit turing degan. Demak, endi keep shu ahvolni saqlash nima? And keep in touch. And buni nemasa in touch degan mana tegmaydi nima? Keep in touch. Unda tegishib turayli. Bo'lini aloqa qilishib turayli degan gap. Mesela boshqalarga tanishganda voy buni degan aloqa qilishib tursa, nima? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Ondan keyin mesela kinolni ko'rsanglar, keep the change deb qo'yadi. Keep the change. Mesela taksiga chiqib, taksidan tushadigan chog'ini nima keep the change. My change degan birga parch pul, yana bir ma'nosi nima desanglar, qaytulgan pul. Bizga oshgan pulni qaytardi emasmi? Shu yerda shu qaytulgan pul degan change. Endi keep the change. Bo'lsa oshqanini qaytarmang. Hey, keep the change. Oshgan pulni bo'ldi, qaytarmang. Okay. Mesela you must keep the classroom warm. Siz cho'qim sinfni issiq tutishingiz kerak. Endi keep demak shu holatni qanday qilsangiz saqlashingiz kerak. To'g'ri kesib bo'lmaydi demakchi. All right. Next one is spend. Okay, spend. Spend country. All right. So we are going to have a holiday in the country at the weekend. Biz nima ish qilmoqchi? Demilish o'tkazmoqchi. Demakchi spend a holiday and have a holiday. Mushu ikkisi nima desanglar bir gap. Spend a holiday shu o'tkazmoq degan gap. Shunami? Demak hamda bayram o'tkazamiz yoki demilish qilamiz in the country in the weekend, at the weekend, in the country bo'lsa sahrada. Okay, and if you don't living in a city, you can live in the country. Agar siz shahar turamiz, yoki shahar turishni yoqtirmasangiz, siz nima qilsangiz bo'ldi? You can live in the country. Demak, shu oldiga the article-ni qo'ysak, bu nima bo'ldi desanglar, sahra, yiza bo'ladi. Demak, shahar turish bilan xo'shingiz yo'q bo'lsa, city, in the city, you can live in the country. Live in the country. And the misharik spend again vaqtni o'tkazmak. You know, spend time. Now, how do you spend your time? Siz vaqtingizni qanday o'tkazasiz? Demak, nima ishlarni qilasiz demakchi, shunami? Undan keyin yana nima deymiz? Pul xarjlamak, shunami? Spend money, all right? Spend money. Okay. So we spend most of our time at work. Biz asasen köpünçü vaxtımızı nerede ötküzümüz deydi? Hizmette. Okay, we spend most of the time at work. Biz köpünçü vaxtımızı nerede ötküzümüz? Okay, şu nerede ötküzülen geldi sana? Hizmette. And so we have a nice house in the country. Bizningki yezida sarada nayt yaxshi bir nimamiz var, uyimiz var. Demek spend money pul hajlamak. Endi pul topmak bo'lsa make money. Okay, pul yasamak deb tushundik, make money. Spend money pul hajlamak. Okay, spend time vaqt o'tkazmak. Okay, next one is lucky. Look at that boy. He's lucky, right? I'm lucky deb tushunami? Lucky deganimiz ham taleylik. You know, I'm a lucky one. I am a lucky dog. Dog degan ish degan gap qo'y, I'm lucky dog. Voy men bo's taleylik. Buni olgan hayron qilsam mumkin. Unda emas hamda dog degan ham bularniki. Chet ellikdan bir intan yaqin do'sti deb qaraldi. Hamda demakchi men taleylik odam demakchi. I am a lucky dog degani-chi hamda. So we are one of the lucky couples. Okay. Biz mushu juftlarni ichirgan bir taleylik birisi. Lucky couple. Couple deganimda bir necha, ya'ni birga juft degan gap. Lucky couple degan shu. Couples degan taleylik juftlar. Qo'shmoqlar deb qo'ymizku. Couples. So do you always feel lucky? Okay. Siz doim taleylik his qilamsiz. Lucky. Lucky star. Taley yulduzi deb ba'g'u. Taley yulduzi. You know, I'm a lucky dog. So word gas, alright, ems qarab qo'yinglar, bu so'zningki spellingni mashg'ul bo'lgan. Okay, masalan bir misol kelsak, bu nima? Friday. Bu nima desam, Friday degan so'z. Emsa qolgan so'zlar qarab qo'yinglar, bu-chi? Bu qaysi? 1 2 ready go. Okay. Lucky. It is lucky, right? What about this? P-E-K-E? Do you know this word? Okay, it's keep, right? What about this? Absent. Okay, kelmaslik, yo'qlash. Okay, next one is bu bek uzun so'zgan go. Bugun o'rgangan qaysi so'z sizlarni javob olib bo'lishsin? Okay, it's a greengrocer. Greengrocer. Okay, what about this? And this one is spend. Okay, this one is a weekend. Abtakhre. Macho. Okay, country. Yiza Sahra. Shnama. Onun ikinci Thursday degandek. Bo'ldi. Bugungi so'zligimiz mushagicha bo'lsin. Onun ikin andaqda bugungi intan mo'yin bo'lgan bir zaman shakli va u bo'lsin nima masalan oddiy o'tgan zaman. The simple present tense.